They're so authentic, and I trust them, and that's a huge difference. I completely trust them because they're about the person.
Hi, my name is Lynn Barish, and I have been being treated at Restore Physical Therapy since September of 22. I had some ankle and heel discomfort associated with bone spurs. I had come to see Amanda after 2 years of changes in my physical activity every day. I wasn't able to take long walks with my husband or my dogs, and it was painful every day. I initially started to go see a traditional physical therapist and was with that physical therapy for over 9 months, and eventually was told that I plateaued, yet I didn't get any relief, and I still wasn't doing any of those everyday activities. I was very grateful for the opportunity and the reference to see Amanda and Restore Physical Therapy. Within a month, I was starting to do some of those day-to-day activities that weren't possible. And every month since I started seeing Amanda, I hit little milestones each month. It's changed my life. It's literally changed my life for the better. It's enhanced my day-to-day relationships, but I feel more confident, and my emotional and physical health are better.